all, you all have a bigger footprint for Winter Las Vegas market. Why was now the right time for that?
We have gone from being a supplier to the top retailers in the country, the top 50, the top 75, to selling 387 retailers now.
So what are some of the new products that buyers will see when they come into the showroom in Las Vegas? I know one line in particular.
Well, one in particular is Fleming, which was an acquisition we made globally back last November of 2016. And Fleming was actually, it's called the Home Group. And the Home Group was about a $150 million acquisition for us. And so Fleming was a byproduct of that. It's more stylish, mid-century, very youth-oriented, which we know that's where the market's moving to here for the millennials. It's stationary, it's very popularly priced, but it's very well made, engineered by Danes. And so we feel like we'll be a leader in it. So we've taken this, this category of product and we're going to be all over the U.S. with it.